Have you ever finished a fasting period, stepped on the scale and how did this happen? Either the weight has crept up or you've lost more than you wanted to. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because today I'm going to show you how to maintain your weight during fasting without stressing, starving, or feeling guilty about food. Let's be honest, fasting can be powerful. But it can also be tricky. Many people think fasting automatically means weight loss, but in reality, fasting can swing both ways if you're not careful. The secret isn't eating less or working out harder, it's eating smarter and understanding how your body behaves when you fast. First, let's talk about mindset. Fasting is not a free pass to overeat when the fast ends, and it's also not a punishment where you try to eat as little as possible. Your goal during fasting should be balance. When you see fasting as a routine instead of a challenge, maintaining weight becomes much easier. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping proper meals after fasting. When you don't fuel your body correctly, it slows down your metabolism to protect itself. Then, when you finally eat, your body holds on to calories like it's in survival mode. To maintain weight, your meals after fasting should be satisfying, not extreme. Think of food as nourishment, not just something to fill your stomach. Protein is your best friend during fasting periods. Including enough protein in your meals helps preserve muscle mass and keeps you feeling full for longer. When you feel full, you're less likely to snack mindlessly or overeat later. Pair your protein with healthy fats and complex carbohydrates so your energy levels stay stable throughout the day. Hydration is another game changer that most people underestimate. During fasting, dehydration can trick your brain into thinking hungry. Drinking enough water helps control appetite, supports digestion, and prevents unnecessary cravings. Try starting and ending your fast with water and continue sipping throughout your eating window. Sometimes, what you really need isn't food, it's fluids. Now let's talk about portion control. Because this is where many people struggle. You don't need to count every calorie, but you do need awareness. Eating slowly, paying attention to fullness, and stopping before you feel stuffed can make a massive difference. Your body is very good at telling you when it's had enough, if you give it the chance to speak. Another key factor in maintaining weight during fasting is consistency. Fasting randomly one day and overeating the next creates chaos in your body. Try to keep your fasting schedule and meal timing as regular as possible. When your body knows what to expect, it adapts better and maintains weight more easily. Let's not forget about movement. You don't need intense workouts every day, but staying active is essential. Light strength training, walking, stretching, or gentle workouts help maintain muscle mass and keep your metabolism healthy. Muscle is what helps your body burn calories efficiently, even during fasting. Sleep also plays a bigger role than most people realize. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and decreases the hormones and make you feel full. If you're fasting but sleeping poorly, your body will fight you. Prioritizing good sleep helps control appetite, improve energy, and support weight maintenance naturally. One more thing that often gets ignored is stress. High stress levels can push your body to store fat, especially around the belly. During fasting, stress can increase cravings and emotional eating. Simple habits like deep breathing, short walks, or quiet time can help your body stay calm and balanced. Here's the truth: maintaining weight during fasting isn't about perfection. Some days you'll eat a little more, some days a little less, and that's okay. What matters is the overall pattern, not one single meal or one single day. When you focus on balanced meals, hydration, movement, sleep, and consistency, your weight naturally stabilizes. So if you're fasting and want to maintain your weight, remember this: fuel your body, don't fight it. Listen to the signals, stay patient, and trust the process. Fasting should support your health, not create fear around food. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's struggling during fasting. And tell me in the comments, are you fasting right now, and what's been the hardest part for you?